Hi, my name is Mike. I'm here with BESTBOARD at ISE 2020. Right now, I'm going to show you how we can set up mirroring on our interactive flat panel displays. So we use EShare to support mirroring here. So I'm just going to pull out my phone, initiate the wireless connection, and off we go. We are now sharing my screen from my mobile device wirelessly to the display. So any content that I have on my device will now be reflected on the display. Using EShare, you can support up to 9 different devices. So when they're all connected together, you'll see them in a grid on the screen. And this can really allow you and your team to get on the same page. You could picture a scenario where multiple employees have different content that they want to share in a meeting. And using EShare, these can all be placed up on the screen for everyone in the room to see and to collaborate together with. So that's just one of our many features that we support through our interactive flat panel displays. You can check us out at www.bestboard.vip.